are now ditching WhatsApp over these privacy concerns. Signal app is facing rush and slowdowns. Signal is an encrypting messaging service and it's said to be more secure alternative to Facebook-owned messaging app WhatsApp. Signal has been witnessing a never-seen-before surge in the new users days after WhatsApp updated its privacy policy. Due to an onslaught like this, minor technical glitches have hit the app. Some new users have reported slowdowns, other issues as well. Acknowledging this issue, Signal has tweeted saying that they are adding more capacity to keep up with the new demand. The sudden rush in Signal comes after WhatsApp updated its privacy policy. It has been sending pop-ups to users worldwide, asking them to accept the updated policies before 8th of February to continue using their services. So why is Signal getting more popular than WhatsApp nowadays? India Today's tech team, Manas Tiwari, explains us in detail.
The way Signal app works is very similar to as WhatsApp or any other instant messaging platform works. So what the advantage with WhatsApp, or the reason why it became so popular, was that there were so many value-added services that were also introduced on the app, be it the ability to share a video or audio files which are compressed and could be shared on the platform, or be it the ability to make video or audio calls or share location with your friends. All of these services made this platform a complete bouquet of services which users really liked. Also, so many users came on WhatsApp at the same time that it was easier to communicate with your friends or be it your colleagues. The challenge that Signal or any other app, be it Telegram, Signal, any other app would face is that, let's say if I move to Signal and I want to talk to you, and if I drop you a text and you're not on Signal, how will we communicate? So there will be no other option but to switch back to WhatsApp. So it will take some time before these alternates become popular and more accessible, and there are more users on these platforms. But it is very clear that now WhatsApp is a part of Facebook companies, and Facebook over the years is known for deflecting things, for misleading people. There have been instances where there have been question marks over how it uses the user data. So it's very clear that WhatsApp is now part of the larger Facebook companies, and that is an issue for all the users.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.